guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you read by my title, I'll be making cloud slime. I have been seeing cloud slime all over the Instagram and I wanted to do this for so long. So start by adding 3 spoons of instant snow powder and then pour 100 ml of water. Wait, wow, did you guys see that? It expanded so quickly. What makes me do this video is the texture, of course, because it's so unique, so different from other slimes. So yeah, I did this step for 3-4 times because Christmas is just around the corner and I have a Christmas special cloud slime for you guys coming up. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyway, getting back to the video, our next step is to make a white glue based slime. So as you can see, I colored the slime red and then I went ahead and activated it. As you can see, the slime is all ready and now I'm just gonna start dipping it into the snow. You just need to knead it for some time and have to repeat the steps until you get a cloud slime texture. The slime is finally ready, and as you can easily make out that this slime is so different from other slimes. I mean, the drizzling part is my favorite. It is so amazing, so satisfying to see it. I am totally in love with the slime. I was so in love with the texture, so I went ahead and made another cloud slime. I totally recommend this slime to you. It's fluffy, satisfying, also pretty. Basically, this slime has it all. So that was all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then do give this video a thumbs up.